Hello friends, welcome in OCP Technology. My name is Shripal and today I'm going to demonstrate you how to configure Oracle Data Guard in Oracle 11G Release 2 step by step. So friends, here I have two machines. One is primary and one is standby. You can see here. Okay. So on the primary machine you should have to install Oracle RDBMS software, Oracle 11G RDBMS software with one database. Okay, it is mandatory. And on the standby machine you should have to install only Oracle RDBMS software without any database. Okay, so that is the mandatory. For more detail you can visit on my official website www.ocptechnology.com and you can see the complete installation of the Oracle Data Guard 11G Release 2. So you just going into Oracle tab and select Oracle 11G tab and then select the Oracle 11G data guard configuration step by step. So let's see how to configure the Oracle 11G installations. You can see here some more configurations files, like suppose the primary database. On the primary machine you should have to set the IP address same like that, and otherwise you can set according you. Okay, on the standby machine your IP address like that, and on the primary machine your database name is db11g, and on the standby machine name also is db11g, but db unique name should be different. db unique name on the primary machine your db11g, and on the standby machine your db unique name is std here. Okay, so here are some required parameters there. You can just read that parameter and get the information about that. db name must be same on the primary and all the standby machines, and db unique name must be different on the standby and all the different on the primary and all the standby. Okay, and log archive config, the parameter include db name, db unique name, which are that part of the data guard configurations. Log archive dash n stand for number of destinations. Define local and remote archive log file locations, and log archive dash state n define state of archive log. Enable and defer. Remote login password file must be in exclusive mode, and fail server FAL server used for archive log gap resolutions required only on in physical standby server. db file name convert required when the directory structure is different to data file, and log file name convert required when the directory structure is different log file. Standby underscore file underscore management keep auto to create file automatically on the standby machines. Okay, so these all are required parameter for the Oracle data guard configurations. So let's see how to performing the steps to configure the Oracle data guard. But before that I'm going to show you these all are configured, how to set the IP address for both machines, and check the database name and check the db unique name. So let's see. First of all I'm going on the primary machine, then open the terminal and check the IP address of my machine, IP config. So you can see the IP address of that my machine is 1.10, and on the standby machine I'm going to check the IP address. It is that the IP address of there, so I'm going to change that IP address according my according my primary machine. And this, and just apply that, set the root password, authenticate and close it. Okay, now you can check the IP address of your machine again, this. So now your machine IP address is 192.168.1.20. so friends, let's see the ping is working or not. Your both machines should be ping 192.168.1.20. so it's responding. I'm going to check the standby machine is ping or not. 192.168.1.20. 10. So you can see the ping machine is working. Okay, so see the next step. What is the next step on that? So check the db unique name on primary machine. What is the db unique name? db name on the primary machine, just enter in the database. I'm going to start up the database. So you can use the parameter and check that your db name is also your db name is db11g. Okay, and now I'm going to check db unique name. Show parameter db unique name is unique name also is db11g. Okay, so these two method to check the db name and db unique name. Okay, so let's see the next one. What is the next one? We also check the ip address, and okay, we already checked that parameters. So let's see how to configure that. So performing following step on primary database machine. Okay, make sure primary database is running in archive log mode. So firstly you should have to check that your machine is running in archive log mode or not. So let's see, I'm going on the primary machine and check the machine is running in archive log mode or not. Archive log list, that is the parameter which is show you how your database machine is running in archive log mode or not. So this is one method, and we have one more method to check that that parameter value. Select log underscore mode from view database. So using that one parameter, that one select command from the view database view, you can check the database is not in archive log mode. So your database now running in no archive log mode. So let's see the change that your log mode. Okay, so I'm going to change that mode. Shut down, immediate, startup, mount, then run the alter command, alter database archive log semicolon, enter, then open a database, alter database, open. So now you check, select log underscore mode from database. So you can check your database now running in the archive log mode. Okay, that is so your first step is complete. You can see the here I'm giving the steps how to change the archive log mode also, and you can see here a note is make sure database is in force logging mode. That means your database is running in force logging mode. So let's see, select force logging mode, check the force logging mode command, your database is running in a force logging mode or not. So just check it's or not. So by default is no, so you should have to convert that mode into force logging. That means you should have to yes that mode. Okay, so let's see how to change that. Just run that one command, alter database force logging, just copy it and paste it. Okay, then check again your is on or not. So you can see your force logging mode is enabled. That means yeah, okay, and now verify db name and db unique name of primary database. We already verified that. Okay, and it's giving a note here, now make a db unique to be a part of the data guard. Okay, so using that one command you can make the your db unique name to part of the data guard. Okay, so let's see how to make the part of that db unique name is a data guard part. Okay, just copy that command and paste here. These all are stuff we have done on the primary machine. Just enter. db11 is your database name and db unique name also is that, and std is our another db unique name which is we are configure on the standby machine. Okay, so just enter. Here are some to run that command manually. Alter system set log archive config these config db11g std. Okay, it's alter. Okay, okay, next is now it's saying here that create the service name using netmgr command. Okay, so just going on host and run the netmgr command. So let's see. I'm open new tab and run the netmgr command. You can see here the steps are the select the going into netmgr and select the service add for std using the plus button, and net service name is std and host name is standby machine ip address and service name is std and save it. Okay, so let's see. Just select here service name here and add one service name here. Just name is a std. Next, and the host and in the host name the ip address of the standby machine, so 192.168.1.20. next service name is std. Next, and finish and save it and exit from there. Okay, now start your listener. You'll start. Listener is started. Now set the archive destinations. First, by default our one destination is by default set for the archive, and now I'm going to share the two destinations for the archive log files using that command. Okay, alter system set log archive underscore test underscore 2 is equal to service is equal to std and valid underscore for online underscore log files primary role db underscore unique underscore name is equal to std. This, then enter. Now your archive destination set is two destination set by that parameter. Okay, using net services. Now enable the service system log archive destination second using that command. Alter system set log underscore archive underscore dest underscore state underscore 2 is equal to enable So it's enable. Okay, okay, next one is, what is the next one is, now it's saying here set the remote login password for to exclusive. Your password file must be in the exclusive mode. Okay, you can check it is in exclusive mode or not. So by default it's running in exclusive mode, so we don't have need to change that value. Okay, going in next one. Now set FAL server and file name convert parameter in case if directory structure is different in primary and standby database. Okay, so let's see step by step run all this command. Okay, okay, all the system set db, you name this. Something is wrong. Actually sometime it's showing error in that command when we copy paste. Okay, so just trying to write it manually. db underscore file underscore name underscore convert std to db11g scope is equal to sp file. You can see the way I'm right here same command, but it's not saying error, it's run successfully. But sometime we just if we are copying and copy and paste, so sometimes it's showing the error. So let's just trying to write it manually. Okay, in the next one command, alter system log file, just alter system set log file underscore name underscore convert std db11g scope is equal to sp file. And what is next one? Next one is alter system set standby file management as auto. Alter system set standby file management is equal to auto. So these parameter is mandatory for the set that standby machine. Okay, we done this. Okay, see the next step. Okay, now take the backup primary database using rman. Okay, now take a full database backup using rman. So let's see how to take the backup. Just going on the rman prompt, rman target, and just run the backup command, this one. Okay, so just backup database plus arclog. Okay, so just backup database plus arclog. Okay, so just run that command and wait for the finishing that backup. Okay, okay, your backup is done, backup finished. So see the next step. Now create the standby control file and p file. Okay, using that one command we can create the standby control file and p file. Going on a primary machine on the SQL prompt and run a command, alter database create standby control file as std control.ctl. Using that command you can create your control file for the standby machine and then create a p file for the standby machine using the create p file u01 init std dot aura from sp file. So using this command you can create a p file for the standby machine, and then see the next step, create that all. Now edit your p file using vi editor and change something like that. Your p file parameter look like this. Okay, after changes your p file look like that. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to open the p file in the vi editor, vi u01 in it std.aura, and press I for inserting mode and change the db11g into std. Be carefully change that all parameter. Okay, and change this one destination audit file test std, and control file path also is std, and second control file path also is std, and db file name convert, we have need to change this db11g to std. Just reverse that, lng std. db name is db11g, that is good, and db unique name is name, and db unique name is this. Let's just copy that parameter. We should have to need that parameter in the below of the db unique name. Paste here. Okay, and db recovery file does this. Okay, fl server std is there. See the fl server db11g in the caps. db11g, and what is the next one? After fal, what is the next one I have need to change? Log archive configuration file db11g or std. See that one, log archive db11g or std, it's same like that. Okay, we don't have need to change this one. No, we don't have need to change this one. db unique name is db11g here. Okay. And set to enable log file name convert. Log file name convert is db11g to std. Is db11g to std. Now going down and see all the parameter in the p file. Okay, change the service name db11g. Here the service name is std, just change it, the db11g. Okay, and so the next one, it's enable log file name convert is db11g to std. It's same by that. Okay, inside the name of db unique name is there, db11g. Okay, okay, it's done. And now create some appropriate directories, which is like that. This one directories we have need to create on the standby machine, and also we have need this one directory on the standby machine, and this one also directory should be exist on the standby machine. So let's see to make the directory. I'm just going to open a new terminal here, and just using SSH I'm going to connect with the standby machine and make the directory. Okay, you can use that one method, just connect on a standby machine. I'm using the here to just SSH method. Now create a directories. Now you are logging as a on the standby machine, just using mkdir u01 app oracle admin a dump, enter, and make one more directories mkdir -p u01 app oracle or data std, and next one is oracle fast recovery area std. Okay, it's done. Okay, after creating that appropriate directories, now save that one file, press escape, shift plus semicolon and wq for permanent changes. Okay, and see the next step. What is the next step on that file? After creating appropriate directory on physical standby and copy then copy backup set archive log files, p file, standby control file and password file to physical standby database using scp command, and you can send it all manually. Okay, so now I'm going to copy that files, just using scp u01. Suppose firstly I'm going to send that one file on the standby machine oracle @192.168.1 and .20 on the u01 location. Okay, just enter and type the password. Your file is sent, and send another control file std control this on this location directly. Just type password. Your file is sent, and see the next file. What is the next file? You just send your control file on that path and that path. On that path your control file is 01, and on that path is control file 02. okay, on the flash recovery area, and user one app oracle aura data std. Okay, so start again. User one app oracle std, that is the first location of that control file oracle aura data std. Okay, so see, just control01.ctl, just enter, type the password. It's saying no such file or directory on the standby machine. App oracle std, we created that. Aura data std, yeah, we done that. Oracle aura data, actually std oracle aura data, this, then enter oracle, your file is transferred. And the second one is the flash recovery area, just enter the second one, 02.ctl, in the run app oracle as a fast underscore recovery underscore area, then enter, type the password, and your file has been sent it. Okay, so see the next step, we also send the control file. Now transfer the archive log and backups using that command. Okay, so just I'm going to copy that all, or copy and paste here. Just enter and type the password here, password. Okay, it will take some time. For that time I'm going to pause my video. Okay, it's done, your backup has been successfully sent on the standby machine. See the next step, we already done this. Transfer remote login password file, so just transfer your remote login password file. scp01 app oracle, the product, just product, this or pw, yes, or pwd11g, just send it. Oracle 192.168.1.20 on the same location. Just change the name, share the name aura pwstd, and here the name is aura pwdb11g. So just change the name aura pwstd, just hit enter, type the password, and it will be sent. See the next step. Now on the physical standby server, now going on the physical standby server, then export the oracle home. Okay, so let's see, I'm going to on the standby machines, this is my standby machine. Okay, on the standby machine, what we have to just export the oracle home path, just copy on the paste. Okay, just enter, and after that set the service name, make a tns service name using below command, using netmgr command, just make it netmgr service, tns service. Okay, so I'm going to run netmgr and enter. service name. There is no service name, just make a service name, just db11g. Next the IP address of the primary machine 192.168.1.10. next db11g. just next. If you want to test that connection, you can test your connections. Your test connection is successful automatically. Just close and finish. Make one more service, std, and next the IP address of your standby machines 192.168.1.20. then next type std, next, and finish. Then save the machine, save the network configurations, and then exit from there. Okay, so just check the next step. Start listener on the standby machine, lsnrctl start. Listener has already start, so just stop and start it. Okay, your listener is start. And next one is command update the etc aura tab file and add that entry in the end of the file. Just copy it, vi space etc aura tab. In the end of file, just add that entry. Just copy and paste it here. It is std. Okay, then save it. Okay, we save that. Okay, after that listener must be start on both machine. We already started that listener on both machine. Restore backup on standby machine using that command. So let's see. First of all, you should have to export the database sid and use login in the database as this user and create a sp file from the p file. Okay, so let's see. Just export oracle underscore sid std SQL plus as sdba, create sp file from p file use 01 and net std dot aura. Okay, and see the next step. Just connect with the rman prompt and start up no mount and restore database. Just going on host rman target to database. Okay, your database is mounted. Now restore your database. Restore database semicolon, enter. It will take some time. For that time I'm going to pause my video. Okay friends, your backup is completely restored. Okay, and exit from the rman prompt and then log in with the database and add some standby log files is there. After finishing the store database backup, we need to create a standby readlog file on a standby server, and it should be one extra either than online readlog files. Okay, so just connect with your how many readlog file is there. Just describe readlog file and check, select group and member log file. So we have three log member is there, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, 3 group and 3 member is there. Every group has one member minimum. So let's see, I'm going to add some log file for standby machine. Just alter database, add standby log files, just U01 app Oracle or a data std standby underscore redo01.log size 50 MB. Add one more, 2, so here we have need to 4 readlog file member. So it's 3, it's last member over there. Okay, so now we have 3 member is there. Okay, then check the member, how many member right now is there. So just describe log file and select group number and member from log, where type is equal to standby. So you can see here we have 3 standby log member here, but we have all, if you check all the standby member, you can check all the standby members like that. This is our default log member, and these 3 these 4 we have standby log members there. We need to create a same online log files on the primary server also, in case you planning switch the role. So if your primary become standby, then you need to have standby log files over there. Okay, so now going on the primary server and add log files member. So run here command on the primary machines, alter database, add standby log file U01 U01 app Oracle or a data db11g standby redo01.log size 50 MB. Okay, just add 3 more files. Okay, add one more file is there. Okay, now check the log member list. Type is equal to standby. Okay, so here we have this 4 member over there for the standby machine. So total member is there, have 7 member for this and 3 already existed there. Okay, now start redo apply process on a standby machine, but before applying redo log file, open the alert log file on different terminal on a standby machine. So just going on a standby machine, on the alert log file,